That strum felt good. This is a little egglet set. It's for making hard-boiled eggs. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to get creative with it. I'm going to make some little kolache, kind of like a pig in a blanket, but breakfast style. So let's get it started. All right, guys, so first things first, we want to get our sausages started up. So just throw those into a hot pan. Alright guys, so these are nice and browned up, so we're just going to go ahead and throw those onto a paper towel and let them cool. So while our sausages are cooling down, let's go ahead and make our pancake batter. I just pulled up a really basic recipe for pancakes, good old-fashioned pancakes. So we're just going to start out, I've got 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 3.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and we're just going to go ahead and sift all that together. So now it says to make a well. So basically I just take my fist and I'm just going to go like that. Make a little well right in the middle. So within that well, we're gonna pour the milk in. I've got 1.25 cups of milk. We're gonna put in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Ooh, that looks good, doesn't it? Now, the recipe calls for 1 egg. Unfortunately, I don't have an egg, but that's okay because we can substitute mayonnaise. Now, don't be scared. I know a lot of people get really nervous about the mayonnaise substitution, but if you think about it, it's really not weird at all. Mayonnaise is made of oil and eggs. It's not anything weird. It actually is going to make them more rich and a little bit more moist. So we're gonna go ahead and do 3 tablespoons of mayo. That is the equivalent of 1 egg. So take your rubber spatula and start mixing all that together. Now I do also want to add my secret ingredient. This is something my dad always did whenever he made pancakes, is you want to do just a dab of vanilla extract. A little bit. I usually do about 1/2 a capful. Alright guys, so now that we've got our sausages cut in half, we're going to go ahead and start filling our molds. So just take a spoon and start filling these guys up. Right there's probably good, leaving a little bit of space at the top. And then we're just going to take a sausage and poke it right into the middle, just like that, and put our lid on there. All right, 1 down. 3 more to go. Alright guys, so we've got all of our little molds made. Now, again, I've never done this before. I have no idea what's gonna happen. I really hope they don't explode. But I did notice there's these little tiny vents. So who knows, maybe it'll work out. We're about to find out. Okay, so let's give this bad boy a try. Oh, it's like fluffy. Mmm. That's really good. It's like more of a cakey consistency. Like almost like a cake texture. And it's sweet, but it's not too sweet. And the sausage is salty. It's pretty good. Hey guys, thanks again for watching. I want to give a big shout out to Kathy Ball and Diana. Y'all took me in during Christmas and I had an amazing time. Thank you so much. And Diana, thank you again for the molds. They were excellent. Take care, guys. So those bites were pretty good, but I'm a man and I need a little bit more than a little bite of pancakes, so I just decided to make some regular ones. Peace out.
Dab it. Yeah.